Professional excavator manufacturers supply various models of small excavators, which are compact and flexible in size, matched with a 360-degree rotating chassis, suitable for diverse work scenarios such as urban construction and landscaping. The excavator bucket, steel arm, and body are all carefully crafted from high-strength structures, sturdy and durable, capable of stable operation in various complex working conditions, and supporting private customization. For more information, please feel free to contact us.